Those tanks, like the King Tigers, they made less than 500. But 50,000 Shermans, 80,000 T34s, that's why you may have a better chance of seeing one of these or one of those Shermans in a museum. Now, as that tank moves, when it moves, you're going to hear this clinking and clanking, but it's more than just the metal tracks. As it goes faster, you'll hear that thing go, and then it slows down when it goes slower. That is a piece of metal pushing the track pins back into the tracks. The tracks do not have pins that have end connectors on them. They literally just assemble the track and then roll it and let the track pin just get knocked in each time it goes around. Now, they used to have a tank on display at Aberdeen, a T34 that they found in France, actually. The Germans had captured it, and then we captured it when we moved through France. And it was always so funny to look at that tank, and a lot of modelers made this mistake. They had the tracks on inside out. So what ended up happening, the pins stuck out. That tank would have rolled for about, I don't know, 300, 400 feet before pins would have started flying out of the track and it would have stopped. But you can hear that clink, 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 clink. And if you close your eyes, you'll also hear the Tigers on Kelly's Heroes, because those tanks were mock-ups made on T34s from Yugoslavia. You can hear that clink, 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 clink. That's the simplicity of the Russian design and manufacture. Why have this complicated end piece for each track? We'll just push the pin in and let the hull keep knocking it in. It's a diesel engine tank. It has sloped armor. At a time when the Germans had a lot of tanks that had vertical plates, the T34 had that sloped armor, and that was very good at helping